Hello everyone, this is Hifsa Ijaz from GSL Pakistan I8 Markaz. In our previous video, we talked about OSR and we have some new information related to OSR. Number one is that you can retake the test within the 60 days of the actual tests.
So the next point in the updates is that IELTS UKVI Academic Computer Delivered is exempted from OSR. If you're appearing in Academic IELTS Standard and General Training Standard, then you can take OSR. But bad news for UKVI IELTS aspirers that you cannot take this one skill retake.
Number three is that the fee of the test is half the amount of the original test, that is 32,886 Pakistani rupees.
So if you are somebody who would like to go for OSR, you have to go for academic IELTS as well as you have to go for general training IELTS, but only computer delivered. Most importantly, if you are preparing for IELTS, Gateway Study Links can help you for mocks assistance, as well as we can help you for registration with British Council. That is the only registration center we have in I8 Markaz, Islamabad. As well as if you want to prepare for IELTS, you're more than most welcome. God bless you and God bless your IELTS bands.